Hi there.
Welcome back to Ira's Bakery. If you are new here, this is Life of Ira, but today we are in the bakery. Our ingredients were listed up there, and then right now the first step is to cream our margarine till it's fully creamed and ready to go. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our delicious pastries for this season. Okay, so right now this is our sugar has been added, and then we're going to cream that as well till it's fully creamed. If you haven't seen our previous video, please go back and then find that video. It's there, like, yo, we baked and we are baking again today. Okay, so right now we have 2 eggs, so I cracked 2 eggs into our mixture, and then we are creaming once again. So we cream till it's fully creamed to the texture we need. Right after this, the next step is to add our dry ingredients. So in this ingredients, I've already mixed the nutmeg and then our baking powder. So then again, 4 tablespoons every step of the way. As you can see, my thingy was shaking because I was reaching with one hand and literally stirring with the other hand. So yeah, as you can see, we are done with that, and then I'm adding the essence. This was like a really quick one. Added the essence, and then now we are putting our mixture in our donut maker. This is not even going to take long. I'm sorry for the mess, like I overfilled the spoon, and this is what our donuts came out to be. Oh, and we made cakes too from the same mixture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and then the subscribe button for more of these videos. Bye.